The United Nations passed the Convention on the Law of the Sea in 1994 and is now the recognized governing body in all legal matters concerning the world's oceans. Genesis, the first book of the Bible, represents the oceans as being older than the dry land. It is stated that God created heaven and earth, and the earth is initially portrayed as a dark and formless water. Historically, people spoke of 7 oceans in order to preserve the ancient notion of the 7 seas. Truthfully, any division of the oceans is arbitrary since there is only a single global sea. The biggest ocean oil spill in history occurred in 1991, during the Gulf War. Iraqi soldiers retreating from Kuwait opened oil wells and pipelines in an attempt to slow U.S. troops. 240 million gallons of oil spilled into the Persian Gulf, creating a slick roughly the size of Hawaii. While the words ocean and sea are used interchangeably, a sea is technically a smaller body of salt water that is part of a larger ocean. The effects of human pollution and overfishing have dramatically changed the world's oceans over the past 100 years. The long-term effects of waste dumping and commercial fishing remain to be seen. In his work Meteorology, the ancient Greek philosopher Aristotle discusses and refutes several popular theories about the oceans, such as the belief that someday the oceans would all dry up, or that the seas were a sort of natural sweat produced by the earth when heated by the sun. The Greek god of the sea was Poseidon, who became Neptune in the Roman tradition. This aquatic overlord wielded a trident and summoned storms to punish or warn human beings. Legal tradition holds that the oceans are not subject to private or national dominion or ownership. The Roman doctrine of mare liberum, freedom of the seas, holds that the seas belong to all, and this has given rise to the 4 freedoms of the sea: freedom of navigation, fishing, laying of cables and pipelines, and overflight. Oceanography is the study of the world's oceans, and it includes aspects of geography, physics, chemistry, biology, geology, and meteorology. By contrast, hydrography is the study of navigable waters and their physical characteristics.